These are the top 5 most dangerous bird sounds in the world. But be warned, the sound at number 5 doesn't even sound like a bird. It sounds like a real-life dinosaur. Comment which one creeped you out the most. But before we start, look at this poor cat. He's been starving all day. No one wants to adopt him just because he's dirty. If you have a kind heart, please like and share this video so that someone out there with a heart like yours can help him. I promise you, Jesus sees your kindness and you'll receive blessings you never expected. Drop a heart emoji in the comments to share the love. Number 1, the Australian bustard. When he opens his mouth, the sound is the same as a lion roar. Number 2, screaming piha. Its sound is the same as a police siren. Number 3, the lyre bird. Its sound is like a mimic and it can copy the sound of a crying baby.